I've never been so wrong so quickly than today. Now, we did keep the loss small, right? But I was reflecting on how things have gone this month and how it's actually been a really horrible month for me. Even though I'm up $1,000 this month on the funded account anyway, it's been tough. It's been rough. Things just are so ridiculously choppy, and I was wrong so quickly today. And it reminded me of a month that I had. This was about like earlier in 2025. I have the video pulled up. I'm going to show you guys like the first minute of that. And it just reminded me like this is awesome. Being able to document these things, being able to show my journey, being able to show, I mean in this video particularly, being so wrong so quickly. It's happened before, so it's not like it's the first time, but like losing, continuously losing over and over and over and over again in a month where things just have not gone well. Now, in the video I'm going to show you, that week that I just continued to lose, I was down like $1,000 that week. It took away all the gains from the previous week. But I've never lost that much until now. I think this is the most I've lost in a month. And it's been difficult, but it's also cool to be able to document and see how my trading has changed. So I will talk about that after I play the first minute of this video. From this was from 8 months ago when I first started YouTube. I started YouTube back in April 2025. So that is several months ago. I think this was May 15th. Yeah, so I will play this first minute of this video. And a lot of things that I say here relates to how I feel right now. So let's play it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Um, yeah, this is. I think honestly, I was just telling my girlfriend this, and I was not being sarcastic. She didn't think I was being serious, but I think this is pretty cool. um, Not the losing. The losing is terrible. I've lost another day today. We kept our losses small, so that's really good. But um, to be able to document this and to be able to look at this in the future and see, wow, you've lost so much in 1 week. Like literally all of last week's gains gone. Almost, right? Where it's like you've lost so much this week that I don't think you can I don't think you can top this. And to be able to document this too, to be able to say, wow, like we've lost this much this week is incredible. Now, so I'll stop it there. But if you guys want to watch the full video, it's going to be in the top right here. But just going back to that and looking at how much I've progressed. I mean, even in the title of the video too, you can see road to my first payout. Right now, since then, obviously, I think I've had 5 payouts. We're looking for our sixth one this week. If we can get 2 more winning days, we'll take another one. Um, but guys, I just want to say I've had a lot of people, especially recently, who are beginners at trading. Um, Watch this channel, join the Discord as well. They're newcomers or beginners. And I just want to let you guys know this journey is not something where it's like you start at the bottom and then you continue rising higher. Like, no, it is up and down, 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 continuously to the point where it can be frustrating because there might be a month where you're like on fire and you feel like you get it. You feel like everything is going well. For myself, that was just in December 2025, my best month in trading so far. Fast forward to now, January 2025, even though we're up $1,000 on the funded account, it has been my worst trading for a while, right? Part of it is breaking rules, tilting. The next part is losing, right? Not all losses are bad, but it's so up and down that you can't be frustrated as long as you're doing the right things. You also can't be frustrated that it's taking you a while to be able to understand it, to be able to get it, right? For myself, I've literally on every single trade this month on the funded account anyway. I followed my rules, everything's gone well. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So I've followed it for 5 days in a row, almost 10 days in a row now. That's gonna be another check mark off the goal list, which is super exciting. But even though I'm following my rules, I've only had 3 winning days on the funded account this month, right? But I also think too it's a testament as well in terms of risk management. It's a testament as well in terms of following your rules. It's a testament to what trading is really like, right? I am not here to show that I am perfect. I am not here to show you guys, oh, like trading has completely changed my life in terms of the house, the watch, the cars, all of these things. Like, I am not here to show you guys that. I am here to document the full journey from getting a funded account. I know I got my first funded account before I started YouTube, but getting another funded account, passing it, getting getting a combine, passing it, getting a funded account, getting my first payout, all on this YouTube channel, and then multiple, hopefully, payouts from then on. That is my goal, to show you guys that it's possible, but I'm not here to lie to you guys. I'm not here to show you guys that it's all linear, it's all straight up. It doesn't work like that, and I really want you guys to understand that. So let's talk about the trade. I have a huge announcement as well. I was talking about it in the Discord. So if you guys want, I'll put timestamps for this video. Um, Go ahead and fast forward to that because I am so excited. It has something to do with trading. Not exactly. It is though. It is. But it's anyway, I'm really excited about it. You guys will see at the end of the video. But let's go into the trade recap and show what happened today. So this is where we're at right now. I'll go back in the past on replay. So this is what I'm looking at. So you can see here, we are, first, let me zoom out so that way you guys can see. Look at where we're at. Look at how we're chopping so much, right? At some point, this has to break. This is gold. We're at all-time highs. We're showing a bull flag. Let me show the 1 hour too, because this is a 1 hour chart, guys. Look at this 1 hour. Look at this 1 hour. Look how insane that looks as a bull flag. So we are bullish on a higher time frame, but obviously for myself, I always trade the immediate trend. So the immediate trend, you can see where volume profile starts, we are trending downwards, right? Currently at 759, we are at value area lows as well. We had multiple rejections, so rejection of prior day point of control, right? Rejection of value area high 1 time, 2 times, rejection of VWAP 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? Rejection of prior day value area low 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? So everything is pointing bearish. Now, again, like I said, on the higher time frame, it's a bull flag, but I am expecting this gap to be filled at some point. So it doesn't mean that, oh, I only should be going bullish. It just means that you just have to play it how it comes, right? So first candle, and I have to play this trade recap candle by candle because it's really important. First candle, boom. Not only, in fact, let me go back to 759. Not only did we have a big candle down, full body candle on higher volume relative to the previous candles, right? We follow it up with the Tokyo Open, 8 o'clock, boom, big bullish candle, right? So for myself, this is telling me that, okay, we could potentially be reversing here, but I need to see what happens, right? Because sometimes this happens and then we follow to the downside. The next candle, okay, no follow through, right? We've rejected multiple times, like I said earlier, so we're looking to see if we can get a rejection. Boom, look at this. This right here is the perfect rejection candle right here, right? Reverse, you can call it a pin, right? But basically, a reversal candle, right? We headed that high and we tracked all the way back down. Where did we reject? VWAP, prior day value area low, right? You could even say value area high, but that's a little bit of a stretch. But these areas, even current session point of control, rejected, right? So I decide, okay, I'm going to take a trade right here to the downside because we're following our rules. We're going with the trend. I always believe that as a profitable trader, if you want to be profitable, you should always follow the trend. What happens next, and you won't be able to see it on replay, which is fine. But we come down first, and then boom, we shoot up. So you can see there's a little wick down here. As we're coming down, I'm like, okay, we're following through. The volume is increasing. I'm like, okay, we're selling. Only one contract though. So we take one contract and then it reverses. And it reversed. And I was like, okay, I'm wrong. Just like that, I'm wrong. My stop loss was set above prior day point of control, right? Because we had these areas of resistance. So I'm like, if we're coming up here, if we're coming to 679, then I know I've lost, right? My thesis is wrong, we're bullish, blah, blah, blah. So from then on, we start playing it candle by candle, and you'll see we start heading higher. So I think there's nothing wrong with this trade, right? And I love to, I think I'm so biased, but one of the reasons why I love the way that I trade compared to how other people trade is that I keep, well, not saying that this is unique, it's not unique, but I'm trying my best to keep my losses small, and the way that I do that is I add and I'm patient with my adding, right? So it doesn't always work out, but when I only added one contract and I saw I was automatically wrong, I didn't have to be wrong by $300, $400. I was just wrong less than $100, which is perfect. The name of the game is to stay alive, to survive, making sure that you're staying in this game. So even though I've literally had 5 losing days and 3 winners, I'm still up $1,000 for the month, right? And it's because we're keeping our losses small and our winners are either equal or much bigger than our losers, right? Our winners are bigger than our losers. So it's super important that we continue to do that. So from then on, I knew I was wrong, right? We got stopped out. I think, let me actually check the executions, but I'm pretty sure we got stopped out. We got stopped out on this candle right here. So yeah, that was literally only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. And after I was stopped out, I was like, I don't know what to do with my life. I'm like, I can't believe we've already stopped out. But as you can see, from then on, we came down, came back, up, came down again. This is why I don't like taking second trades, especially if my thesis has been broken. Because mentally now, I'm like, I don't know if we're going up, I don't know if we're going down. And with the way this price action has been looking, it's honestly just not good. So I'm hoping by the time this video comes out tomorrow that we get some type of movement in a definitive direction that makes gold much easier to trade. But right now it has been difficult. It's been tough. I think trading with lower size too. I know I normally don't advocate for that, but even trading with lower size, or at least partials or taking your time adding into your position, that I do advocate for. Just doing any one of those things, I think, would be really important um, for people to do at this point until we get a definitive move one way or another. So yeah. Um, but that's it for this trade, guys. Have, this has been a tough month for sure. It's been a lot of losing, but we're staying in the game. These losses, again, losing is not bad. Losses are fine as long as you're sticking to your rules. This is my 8th day in a row sticking to all of my rules. That is so exciting too because I know on a different month, like maybe in February or March, like just sticking to my rules, I know I'm profitable. I've always said that. I know that if I stick to my rules 100%, I am profitable. So I just need to do that. And right now we are, right? Even though we've had more losing days than winning days, we are still profitable because we're sticking to our rules. So I just need to do that. And overall, things will get better and things will come. So that's it for the video, guys. Time for the announcement. I was talking to my girlfriend about this. I was talking to Stephanie, and guys, I think I am going to pivot this channel into something greater, something bigger and better than ever before. I know that this channel has been documenting my journey. That was the purpose of it, but no, we're better than that, guys. We're done. We're not doing that anymore. I am becoming a reaction YouTuber. And our first content that we are going to react to is Kurumi-chan! Genki desu ka? So, I'm joking. This channel is still staying the same, people. I promise to God. But I will be doing reaction videos to this anime. I know, it's like, what the... People are like, what the is going on right now? I'm so excited for this anime. I'm more excited than when Bleach was announced. The return of Bleach was announced. This is called FX Fighter Kurumi-chan. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what does this have anything to do with trading? Can you guys see? Look, candlesticks. Do you guys see candlesticks there? Right? Okay, I don't mean to be on her, sorry. But candlesticks, guys. This is an anime about trading. So, when this anime comes out, you guys will see me on Reddit. I will have a Reddit account. I will be in the threads on Reddit talking about this week by week. I will also too be reacting to this anime as it comes out. I'll be posting reactions slash reviews for each episode that comes out. I'm really excited for this too because it has to do with trading, the emotions of trading. The premise is, long story short, Kurumi, she has her mom who traded, but she was in debt. Her mom passed away. And then now she wants to become a trader to try to make up that money, which is, I'm sure a lot of us can relate to that, right? So I'm so excited for this. Honest to God, I don't know why I am. I just feel like I still don't consider myself a content creator, but I know that I create content for trading, right? Documenting my journey. Even though it is my public journal, it doesn't feel like content creation, but technically it is. So I want to be able to use that for something like this. So it'll be one-off episodes. It's not like this whole channel is going to be dominated by it. But I also think too for people who are possibly getting into trading through this anime will be able to see this channel and actually see what it's like. Now, it shouldn't be as exciting as watching the show, but at least they can see, like, okay, this is actually what real trading is, and this is the gateway for that. So I'm really excited about that. I will be reacting to it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I gotta look up other reaction channels and see how they react to anime, what I'm allowed to post, what I'm allowed to put as well. Um, but yeah, I've never been more excited. So the anime is called FX Fighter Kurumi-chan. Um, yeah, so I'm super excited. I know that's probably not the announcement that you guys were thinking it would be, but hey, I like it. So I'm really excited about it. But anyway, guys, that is it for this video today. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I'm super excited for what's to come. Obviously we are 2 days away from getting another payout. And last thing I'll say too, like I said earlier, we're staying in the game. So even though we've been losing a lot, we still have $1,500 left in the balance, which is awesome stuff. Just gotta keep taking our time. Hopefully the price action starts getting a little bit better as well. We have $1,000 in the account, so at least if we have a couple more winning days, then we'll have a decent size for a payout. It might not be the most, but hey, money is money, so I'll definitely take that for sure. But we just got to keep grinding. You guys keep grinding, keep doing what you got to do. Hopefully, you guys are doing well. Hopefully, you guys are trading well. And yeah, keep trading Stokely.